Hi guys, hi friends, welcome to the new video. If you are a new subscriber, upload every video, it's gonna help my channel 1000 subscribers. Let's go. Today we're gonna model in a building in Blender. We're gonna use some modifiers. I show you this technique, but we're gonna model in the building with the floors, okay? So I am in Blender. Very quickly, if you don't know how to navigate, go on the view, of course, navigation, work navigation you have right here. Right click, assign shortcut, Shift F, FZ, you can travel in this 3D space. Now, select this cube by the left click, SZ, to rescale this in the Z axis, something like this. I'm gonna show you first the simplest version and later I'm gonna build more complicated, okay, shape. So this is my base for the building, yes? Now, what I wanna do, select this cube, yes? And you wanna basically click tab to go to the edit mode. And click 3 to the face selection. Yes, so tap, select, tap, and 3 to the face selection. Yes, select this face and hold Alt and just select the edge of this face right here. Select the edge of the face, and basically this just select all the loops. As you can see, all those faces in the loops right here on this stupid cube. So by holding Alt and right here, clicking, you have selected all the loops. Now, what do you want to do? Right click, separate selection. And click tab, and I have basically the floors right here, and I have my part of the windows, yes? So I show you this technique, but we don't build the building with the floors, so I show you right here. And later I'm gonna show you more complicated stuff. I tried to record this stupid video a couple of times, and my OBS doesn't record, whatever. So I have my part, yes, that I separated. Now, what I want to do, go right here on the modifiers, on this icon, left click right here and choose subdivision surface right here. And I'm going to change this to simple. And I'm going to maybe add 2 subdivision, why not? Left click right here and choose apply. What next? Select the part, once again, tap to go to the edit mode. Of course, select one face, this is important, select one face. Later, A to select all, Control B, of course, to bevel. And as you can see, I just separated the walls from the stupid windows, yes, on my part. And I can right click, separate, selection, okay? So, I have my stupid windows, I have my walls, and I have my floors, okay? And like I said, this is the base. And what you're gonna create, what shape, I'm gonna show you later different shapes. You can use this technique, yes, to create with the floors buildings. So, what next? Select the part, go right here on the modifiers, left click right here and choose array. Basically this just copy my part, but I want to have this part up. So on the array, on the x-axis right here, tap 0, enter. And on the z-axis 1, enter. And number of counts, I can add maybe 10 floors. How many floors you want to add, just tap right here on the count. And I can left click apply. And I can select different part, yes, the windows right here. Left click on the modifiers, add modifier, add array modifier. This is my windows, okay. On the x-axis 0, on the z-axis 1, and on the number of counts 10. And I can do the same thing with the floors, okay, because I showed this technique to bevel the windows, but we don't have floors in those buildings. But right here we have the floors. So I just selected the floors that I separate at the beginning of this stupid video. Left click right here on the modifiers, left click, array, number of counts 10, on the x-axis 0, on the z-axis 1, and choose apply. Yes, and you have your stupid fucking building. I'm gonna apply on this part too. So I have, as you can see, I can travel inside. I have my floor, and I can go up. I have my floor, I have my floor, I have my floor, yes, on each stupid fucking part. And you can, you know, shade this stuff, yes, if you are new, of course. Go on the edit, preferences, on the add-ons tab, kit right here. Blender kit, select the box, left click, save preferences. You have the add-on right here. You have the materials very quickly. Go right here on this icon, change the engine to the cycles. 1, 1. If you have bullshit PC, add denoiser. Click right here on the render view. You can select each part, yes, of this stupid building and glass maybe. I'm gonna show you later more complicated base because this is simple base, yes. You can add glass right here, and you can shade, as you can see, different parts, because you have the floors too, okay? This is important, right here, you have the floors on the stupid building, okay? So you can add tiles right here or whatever. So you get the idea. We just add array modifiers from duplicate this. This is the basic stuff. So I'm gonna select X and delete those parts, and I'm gonna show you once again. Shift A on the mesh. I'm gonna choose cube, and we're gonna build more complicated stuff. I tried to record this, and I am fucking angry, guys, because I'm just mumbling and mumbling for a fucking 10 minutes. Now I have my cube. Select the cube by the left click, Z, and move the mouse to make it smaller in the z-axis, something like this. Now what next? Once again, tap and 3, of course, to the face selection. Select the face, hold Alt, click right here on the edge, and you have selected all the loop right here on those faces. Right click, separate selection. Once again, tap. I have my part of the floors, and I have my part, and like I said, you can create more complicated base and use this technique, use array modifier to the floors and to the more complicated stuff. So I'm gonna show you. Select the part that I separated right here on the modifiers. Left click and choose subdivision surface. I'm gonna add simple, and I'm gonna maybe leave on 1, why not? And choose right here apply. If I'm gonna click tab, I have my cuts, of course, yes. Select right here the window, A to select all, Control B to bevel, and just move the mouse. I just created the windows, yes. Right click, separate selection. I have my windows and I have my part. Simple, yes, but you can extrude those windows maybe. So I'm gonna select the windows, click tab, and I can hold shift, okay, and select by the left click, E to extrude, as you can see. And I can extrude this and maybe rescale this by S and move the mouse, yes, to make it smaller. Right click and separate selection. And you can do this part to each stupid window, I'm sorry, right here, yes. So I can select the windows, tap, right here, yes, E, move the mouse, Z, yes, right click, separate selection. And of course, you can tap the number that you wanna extrude to have the same kind of stuff, yes. So I can select the windows, tap, select the faces by holding shift and left clicking E, and I can basically 0.5 tap number, yes, or whatever. Or maybe move the mouse, and I can rescale by S and move the mouse, right click, separate selection, yes. This is my base, and I can duplicate this by array modifier and just tap add floors and floors. So I can select those stupid windows, E, move the mouse, S, and move the mouse, right click, separate selection. And if you wanna do this correctly, okay, you can travel inside on this stupid room, and I can delete those faces. So I can, you know, click tab to select the window, click tab, and I can select those windows and X delete faces, and I have those windows, as you can see, extruded, yes, that I extrude this windows basically. Fuck this tutorial. And you can do this, delete the same stuff right here if you want, yes, to create some rooms in this stupid building, if you want to do this correctly. I'm not gonna do this. So what next? I have, as you can see, big parts. So we can select those windows. As you can see, this is one part of the windows. I can hold shift, select those windows, yes. And I can create one object from this. So hold shift, select those windows, yes, and travel by shift F, of course, favicd, yes, and select those windows. So I'm gonna select very quickly because my mouse is double clicking right here, right here, right here, and this stupid fucking window. Hold shift, like I said, and Control J to create one object. And you can name this windows. There's windows. Let's go. And the same principle, guys. The same stuff. Go on the modifiers, left click array. I have my windows, as you can see, but I want to have in the Z axis. So 0 on the X and 1 on the Z. Number of counts 10. And you can do the same thing in each part of the building. Left click right here, array. Number of counts 10, 0 right here, and on the z-axis 1. As you can see, I have my parts of this stupid fucking building. What next? I can select different part of the building that I separate right here. Left click, array, number of counts 10, x 0 of course, and on the z-axis 1. Yes, and I can select the floors too. The floors, I have the floor, as you can see, the floors. Right here, modifiers, array modifier, right here, number of counts 10. right here 0, and on the z-axis 1. And I have my stupid building, as you can see. I just add, I'm assuming right here, more fucking number. Yeah, 2000. I wanna add 10, motherfucker. Wait. Something is not right, because I just add right here, as you can see, 210. I wanna add right here fucking 10. Why it not don't add 10? Okay, thank you. And right here, I wanna add 10 too, not 2000 fucking. So add the same number. As you can see, it's great. 10, 10, 10. And like I said, you can extrude and create more complicated shapes to your base. And I have all the parts of the building, okay? Very simple. So I can shade this stuff. I can go right here once again and add stupid fucking right here. Yes, the windows parts, glass, and different shape stuff. I hope you get it how this works, guys. This is not very complicated. This is fucking basic shit, okay? As you can see, I have my windows and I have different parts of the building, and you can create cool fucking shapes to your buildings, and you have all the parts. Like I said, if you wanna delete right here, go inside and delay the parts right here to your rooms of your windows. If you're gonna extrude those windows, this is your choice, okay? And you have right here the room. You can go up. Oh, I have a room. I have room. I have room. I have room. You get it, guys. So once again, in speed motion, Shift A, of course, cube, SD, rescale, tap, 3 to face selection, Alt, click on this icon, on this edge on the face, separate selection. I have right here, subdivision surface, apply. Whoa, wait, guys, subdivision surface is simple, apply. Right here, tap, select the face, A, Control B, move the mouse. Right click, separate selection. You can select the windows, of course, yes, by holding Shift, extrude those, and rescale if you want. As you can see, I can make it bigger, smaller, different shapes. Right click, separate selection. I have this window separated. Nice. I can do the same thing right here if I want, yes. Hold Shift right here, E, move the mouse, C, S, move the mouse, select, separate selection, yes. You get the idea, and I have, you can join those windows together. So join those windows together if you want. And right here, yes, Control J to create one object, as you can see. And I can do the same thing right here on those windows too. And I can use array modifier to each part. Array 0 right here, and z-axis 1, and number of floors if you want. And you can do the same thing in the floors on the stupid parts that you're gonna extrude. Play around on the stuff, guys. I'm not gonna record one more time this stupid fucking tutorial. Bye, guys. See you on the next one. I'm angry, guys. Seriously. Because my OBS doesn't record. I tried to record this fucking tutorial and I'm mumbling for a fucking 50 minutes. Bye, guys.